going to be making a simple salsa, so let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to add 3 chopped tomatoes. I'm using fresh tomatoes and not canned. 1 chopped onion. Pepper. Freshly chopped garlic, so I'm just using 1 clove. Half a green chilli, and you don't have to add the chilli if you don't like it spicy. So I'm going to add a sprinkle of cumin powder. Sprinkle of salt. Sprinkle of cracked pepper. A sprinkle of parsley. So I'm using dried parsley. Some lemon juice. So let's mix this up. If you feel you need to add some more lemon juice, you can. So here is our finished simple salsa. Hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks guys for watching.